We got to speak for 20 minutes. One extra minute.
Let's not debate how we're handling this, because you're going to... Don't take me there.
My name is Audrey and I'm the founder of New York City Citizens Lobbying Against Smoker Harassment. I quote from the New York City Human Rights Law, Administrative Code of the City of New York, Title 8. Policy. In the City of New York, with its great cosmopolitan population, there is no greater danger to the health, morals, safety, and welfare of the city and its inhabitants than the existence of groups prejudiced against one another and antagonistic to each other because of their actual or perceived differences, smoker, non-smoker. The Council hereby finds and declares that prejudice, intolerance, bigotry, and discrimination and disorder occasioned thereby threaten the rights and proper privileges of its inhabitants and menace the institutions and foundation of a free democratic state. Excerpts from the notice of this hearing that one of the greatest achievements of the smoking ban was to end smoking. Smoking, curb smoking, nicotine sends wrong message, allowing smokers, Dr. Farley's predecessor, Thomas Frieden, on his fact sheet in Department of Health. It's online today. Question. This is America. Don't citizens have a right to smoke even if it hurts them? Answer. Yes. Smokers are free to continue to smoke. Behavior that, while acceptable if it affects the individual only. So which is it? But for the gratuitous addition at the very end of your notice on e-cig exposure, it's clear by going after harmless vapor, your entire aim is, and may I say has been, that smokers are not free to continue to smoke and it's not acceptable. That you are intolerant of it, and if you're not on the approved protected list, this will not be a free democratic state. The children. Adults have rights too. Hiding behind for the children, you seek to conscript me against my will into the war on smoking army to carry your message. If smoking a cigarette sends a message, your words, then we are talking about my freedom of speech. Can I stand on a street corner and give a speech about my belief that it's normal to smoke? I think you'd say yes. Then according to you, how is my smoking a lit cigarette or somebody using an e-cig any different from speech that when expressed another way, you would call protected? When it comes to the issue of smoking, you are everything you despise. You are the bullies you have zero tolerance for with your intolerance of a legal lifestyle that doesn't fit yours. You are the stop and friskers of the health police. As a New York City police officer for 20 years, I had more authority than either one of you. I could have walked into this chamber and for reasons that I decided, arrested you, cuffed you, taken you to processing. The DA's office may have told me later, let them go, and I might be disciplined by my supervisor, but I had the authority to do that. But I didn't. But that is what you are now hypocritically doing. Your version of stop and frisk, whereby you have opted to use your authority to violate someone's civil liberties because you have deemed the legal behavior wrong. Same as you accuse the NYPD of violating many who have been stopped and frisked because the cop felt it best and had the authority to do it.
Audrey, wrap up.